Hey YouTube fam, what's going on guys? How you guys doing today? Let me know how your day's going down in the comments. I want to hear how everybody's day is going. Just as a test to see how the community's doing as a whole, see if people are having good days or bad days, and I usually respond to all the comments, so let me hear how your day's going. I'd love to hear it. I got my Stark out here with the GoPro 7 on it, and my Taranis QX7 and my Ishin box goggles, and there's like a little open field and some trees. Time for some practice, baby. FPV practice. Gotta keep getting better. And then look at this. Check this out. I don't know if you, oh yeah, there you go. There's a little pagoda, like a little pagoda hut thing. And it leads to a stairway that goes down the mountain off to some trails and stuff. It's a pretty cool little park. I think you guys have seen me do some stuff here before. But yeah. Anyway, that's enough of me rambling. Subscribe to the channel, join the Patreon, and check out this flight footage. Roll the footage.
Letting you go, I was just letting you know. I know the weather is cold, but you on your own. I ain't no regular Joe, you should've left me alone. I'm in the zone, I'm where the predators roam. We at the Senate in Rome, and I'm on the throne. This ain't no regular poem, this ain't that regular tone, no. Do you follow me, baby? Can you see what I have? Do you like what you see? Do I follow your path? I don't know if I like you, I just know that you bad. Who you driving me crazy? You could drive in that cab. Hop out. If you don't like it, you gotta hop out. Always been a player, never dropped out. Rather cop the necklace before I cop. She want attention, I play the field with my henchmen. She want me back in detention. I study lessons, I'm in a different dimension. I move in different directions, we playing chess. She just gave me the address, see the lady in the dress. She the lady in my text, see the lady is a test. These days I roll alone, tryna stay the fuck up off the phone. Tryna come the fuck up off of home, tryna get cuffed up, cuffs of stones. Playing for keeps, I'm a Top Gun, she playing the sheets. When the ops come, I play for my team, go play with yourself, stop playing with me. Do you follow me, baby? Can you see what I have? Do you like what you see? Do I follow your path? I don't know if I like you, I just know that you bad. Who you driving me crazy? You could drive in that cab. Hop out. If you don't like it, you gotta hop out. Always been a player, never dropped out. Rather cop the necklace before I cop out. I say the shit with my chest, I laid a brick on my ex. I had to go on a quest, I had to grow and progress. Some shit is hard to accept, I know I'll never forget, and it's a bet, I keep my memory fresh, I hope my enemies blessed.
Guys, I stuck my quad in the tree. Alright, time to keep practicing. I just wanted to show you guys my quad stuck in the tree. I'm gonna get it down and keep practicing. Uh.